Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. I am Achal Mittal and I am going to teach you English first. Students, as you all know, your lesson number 3 completed in your previous video. Now in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 4 explanation, which is interrogative sentences and exercise A. So not further delay, take out your book.
So my dear students, here's your book and now open lesson number 4. Your lesson number 4 is interrogative sentences. Here you can see. So first of all, what are interrogative sentences? As I already explained you in my previous video, interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we ask about something. We ask about something and where question mark we put in the end of the sentence. Okay, so now what we have to do in this chapter, we all have to change all the negative assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Now first of all, read this portion. Read the following sentences. Here left side assertive sentences and the right side interrogative sentences are given you. Now first of all, this the sentence on the left side state or express something. Such sentences are called assertive sentences or statements. The sentences on the right hand side ask something. Here you can see right hand side are called interrogative sentences or questions. So here are interrogative sentence, here are the example of assertive sentences. Now next, a question mark is placed at the end of the interrogative sentence. Here you can see all the question mark here at the last of the interrogative sentences. So you all have to put question mark at the last of the sentence. Students, if you will not put question mark at the last of the interrogative sentence, then your sentence will become wrong and you will not get any mark. Okay. Now next, here you can see, read the following statement. Now I will explain you example how to convert a statement or assertive sentences into interrogative sentence or questions. First is it is your book, यह तुम्हारी बुक है. And here question, is it your book, क्या ये तुम्हारी बुक है. Both are different. In first what we say, is it is your book, यह तुम्हारी बुक है. And in question what we are asking, क्या यह तुम्हारी बुक है. So both are changed. And how to convert this into this? First of all, we will take this helping verb from the first of the sentence, is, and after that rest of the sentence we write as it is. You can see here, once again I am telling you, is we will take first. Here is, you can see, first came. After that rest of the sentence is it your book. Here we have written it your book. After that we will put question mark. So in this way you all have to put the question mark at the last of the sentence and make interrogative sentences. So the criteria to make the interrogative sentences is helping verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay, helping verb plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. Next, here which is the helping verb, has. So we have taken has first and rest of the sentence she ate all. What was the sentence? Here she has a doll. She has a doll. उसके पास एक doll है. And has she a doll? क्या उसके पास doll है? So this is the difference between assertive and interrogative. Here is the helping verb can. So we have taken can first. Rest of the sentence as it is we have written. After that question mark. Here the helping verb were, where we have taken first, rest of the sentence as it is. After that question mark. Here is the verb will we have taken, rest of the sentence here. After that question mark. So in this way you all have to convert assertive to interrogative. Don't forget to put question mark. And whenever you will take helping verb first, you all have to make the capital letter. First letter should be capital of the sentence. That this I have already told you in my first video, in first chapter. Okay. Now next, here statement and questions. First of all, students, you read this. Do, does, plus subject plus base form, present simple, did plus subject plus base form. Students, in previous video when we are changing assertive to negative sentences, we have explained you about did, does and do. Whenever s or es come in the verb, we change the sentence according to does. Whenever there is no s or es in the verb, we will change that according to do. And whenever second form is there in the verb, in the sentence and second form of the verb, we change that according to did. Okay, so first of all you read this: do, does plus subject plus base form, and the second did plus subject plus base form. Okay, now here first sentence you see, his elder brother lives in Agra. Which one is the verb here? Lives. Here s is coming in the verb, so we will make helping verb here does, and rest of the sentence we have to write as it is, but remember we will remove s from the live to making interrogative sentence. After that we have to put question mark. So what become? Your first sentence was, statement sentence was, his elder brother lives in Agra, and the question sentence is, does his elder brother live in Agra? Okay, remember to remove the s whenever you make the interrogative sentence. Now next here, next one is, they quarrel with one another. Here the verb is quarrel, but there is no s or es, so we will make interrogative sentence by putting do. Do they quarrel with one another? Okay, now next see, she takes a bath. So takes here you can see takes a bath, so we will make does. We will put does, and rest of the sentence as it is we will write, she take a bath. Remember to remove s from the take. Now next, they stood first in the class. Here's the verb is stood. Okay, but this is the second form of the stand. As told you, whenever second form in the sentence will come, we convert that sentence according to did, and the second form become first form. Here you can see, did we have taken first, they here stand first in the class, so the sentence become, did they stand first in the class? So the first form of stood is stand, so here we have written, after that question mark you have to put. Now next, this horse ran very fast. The first form of the ran is run, so this is also second form, so what we will do, we will put did to make interrogative sentence, did this horse run very fast. Okay, so this is the interrogative sentence of present simple or past simple sentences. I hope you all have done it, get it. So if you are having any problem of these sentences, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, now next sentences, here we will convert present continuous and past continuous tenses into interrogative sentence. Now here first one, they are writing a book. The helping verb you can see here are, so are we will take first, rest of the sentence as it is, after that question mark. So the sentence become, are they writing a book? क्या वो एक book लिख रहे हैं? Second, Kavita is watching TV. Here helping verb is, we will take is first, and the Kavita watching TV, rest of the sentence is as it is. So the sentence become, is Kavita watching TV? क्या कविता TV देख रही है? So in this way. Now next, the farmer is plowing the field. Is will take first, the farmer plowing the field. So the sentence become, is the farmer plowing the field? The soldiers were fighting bravely. Were we will take first, and the rest of the soldiers fighting bravely. Were the soldiers fighting bravely, and the last of the question mark. Gardener was watering plants. Was we will take first, and the rest of the sentence here and the question mark here. So the criteria to make past, present, continuous tenses to make interrogative here is MR plus subject plus present participle in which ing form came. Okay, present participle, these are these here present participle, here present participle. Okay, now next, was were plus subject plus present participle and the past continuous tense it will change. So in this way you all have to make the convert interrogative assertive to interrogative. Now first exercise today I will give you your first exercise. First is, he is an excellent writer. So what we will do here is he an excellent writer? Question mark. You can see every sentences I have put it question mark. So you all have to put question mark in this way. Next, they are good swimmers. Are they good swimmers? What we have done? We have taken are first. In the according to structure of the sentence, are plus verb, are plus subject plus base form. Okay. Now she can. Here is the can. Can she need this sweater? Then William Shakespeare was a great writer. Students, you have seen, you can see here space is not so much. So I have drawn one more line to add this before one. So you all have to draw in this way. Okay, add increase this line here and then write the sentences. Then you will be able to write it easily. Your full sentence will come in one line. Next, fourth, William Shakespeare was a great playwright. So was William Shakespeare a great playwright? This is a big sentence, so you can write in this way, a small one. Okay. Old age can bring many problems. Oh, can old age bring many problems? The train is traveling very fast. Is the train traveling very fast? She is the oldest woman in the village. Is she the oldest woman in the village? Anil and Ravi are first friends. And are Anil and Ravi first friends? These bananas are almost ripe. Are these bananas almost ripe? And the last, Sachin Tendulkar cricketer. So is Sachin Tendulkar a fine cricketer? So in this way you all have to convert these sentence. What is the common in it? We have taken all the helping verb. Here helping verb is, are, can, was, can, is, are and is. We have taken all helping verb first. Here you can see we have taken all the helping verb first. After that rest of the sentence as it is we have written. And one more thing is common in all these sentences is question mark. Here at the last you all have to put question mark. If you will not put question mark, as told you, your marks will be cut. So students, it is sufficient for today. I hope you all get the conversion of assertive to interrogative sentences. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Rest of the exercise B, C, I will give in my next video. So your today homework is you all have to write all these sentences in your book. After that you have to write all these sentences in your copy. Don't forget to write a revision and today's date. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video with next exercise.